Imagine experiencing a Sri Lankan coastal escape, hugged by nature, kissed by the Indian Ocean, and providing absolute tranquility. Follow me inside to check it out. Welcome to Wadua, one of Sri Lanka's most peaceful coastal escapes. And right here, between emerald palms and the soft rhythm of the Indian Ocean, we see a villa that is not just home, but a feeling. Set across 227 perches of prime beachfront real estate, this is where space, nature, and lifestyle truly collide to create something absolutely special. The moment you enter this villa, the mood is set. You get this bright, airy sense of space. It's like this tropical, laid-back energy that every home wishes it had. This is a space where family and friends come to bond, to reconnect, to create memories that actually last. You've got 4 spacious, cozy rooms. Look at this setting. A feeling of tranquility just sets in to your soul when you come to this very peaceful abode. And all of these rooms overlook the lush greenery wrapped around by the pool, which is right in front, and the beautiful emerald Indian Ocean. You have these private lounges where families and friends can sit together, connect over cozy conversations. This is a space where phones disconnect and bonds reconnect over beautiful views of the pool and the ocean. Just imagine starting every day of your vacation like this. This is a space where tranquility just switches on, calmness switches in, and you put yourself in a mood that is absolutely zen. and my favorite space, the oceanfront sit out. This is where morning starts with coffee and the sound of waves, evenings disappear into books, and well, the sunsets. This is where you have drinks and basically enjoy front row seats of absolute premium ocean views. This is not just another 227 perch beachfront investment opportunity. This could be your high demand holiday escape. It could be a rental asset that you can use for Airbnb, or it can just be your luxury retreat. This space can be whatever you choose it to be, because the opportunity that it provides is next to nothing. The land, the lifestyle, the legacy that it provides is something beyond anything you can comprehend for an investment of this scale. And now, the million-dollar question, the investment. For just $1.5 million, a standout price for this scale, for this ocean frontage, for this feeling of absolute tranquility, this is a steal. If you're looking for a property that delivers peace, privacy, and pure coastal magic, this is the one. This is the one.